Listen, when you are talking about packaged systems, you are looking at an entire HVAC plant crammed into one metal box sitting out in the elements. I spent 17 years in this industry after getting my start as a nuclear power electrician. And if there is one thing I learned from working on reactors, it is that your life depends on the integrity of the cabinet. Today, we are putting two entry-level units head-to-head, the Amana APCH3 and the Arcoaire PAB4. Both of these are 13.4 SEER2 models, but there is a world of difference in how they are built and how they treat your wallet. Let's look at the armor first. The Amana APCH3 comes with a fully louvered coil guard. That means the sensitive aluminum fins are protected by solid metal slats. If you have a neighbor with a weed whacker or kids that like to kick balls against the side of the house, that louvered cabinet is a lifesaver. Now look at the Arcoaire PAB4. It uses a dense wire guard. It is okay for airflow, but it leaves those coils much more vulnerable to the environment. When a unit is sitting on the ground or a low roof, I want the louvers every single time. Under the hood, both of these units are built for the long haul by keeping it simple. We are talking about standard single-stage scroll compressors and multi-speed blower motors. Both are using the newest generation of refrigerants, with Amana utilizing R32 and Arcoaire running R454B. It is a straightforward electrical design that I appreciate because there are fewer expensive control boards to fry when a summer thunderstorm rolls through. However, there is a massive difference in the noise. The Amana is pushing 76 decibels, while the Arcoaire stays down at 70. In the world of acoustics, that is a huge gap. It is the difference between a loud conversation and a background hum. Now let's talk about the real world cost. For the Amana APCH3, you are looking at an average equipment price around $2,200, with a total installed cost landing near $3,800 in most areas. The Arcoaire PAB4 usually commands a higher price, often running closer to $5,200 once you factor in the labor and materials. You are paying a premium for that quieter operation and a slightly different internal setup. Before I give you the winner, let me give you a quick field tip. Packaged units are notorious for clogged drains and dirty coils because everything is in one box. Make sure you get those coils cleaned every spring because these units are breathing the same dirt they are sitting in. When we check the warranty, the story gets interesting. Both brands give you 10 years on parts and the compressor, and both are proudly made right here in the USA. But Arcoaire gives you a 3-year, no-hassle replacement warranty. If that compressor fails in the first 3 years, they don't just ship you a part. They give you a whole new unit. Amana does not offer a replacement warranty on this specific basic model. So who wins this matchup? If you are looking at the bottom line for a homeowner, I am declaring the Amana APCH3 the winner. While the Arcoaire is quieter and has that 3-year replacement promise, the fact that you get superior louvered coil protection for nearly $1,400 less makes the Amana the smarter investment. In this tier, the build quality and the price tag matter most. Shop like a pro and use my head-to-head tool to compare 50 other brands. Head over hvacforbeginners.com.